We know that inkjet printing can sometimes be a pain, especially when it comes to print quality. When you're printing, do your colors not look like your original design? Do your labels have horizontal lines or white dots on them? Is your label design not fully covering your label? Or is your cut position not on the gap between two labels? Don't worry, in this video, we are going to solve all these issues for you. Check and make sure the media coding type is set to the media you are using. Select Menu, Media Settings. First, Media Type, and ensure your selection matches with the labels you are using. Next, make sure that your ink has not run out. If you have low ink or your ink has dried out, it could be causing your labels to have poor print quality. If the colors on your labels seem to be off or vary from your digital design, you can manually perform color adjustments. Go to Menu, General Settings, Printer Settings, Image Quality, and Manual Color Adjustments. You can change your light, saturation, contrast, and various tones. If there are white horizontal lines on your labels, your nozzles may be clogged. Run a printhead cleaning. Go to Menu, Maintenance, run a printhead cleaning. If there are vertical white dots on your labels, it's possible your labels were backfed. This can happen if your labels were not removed after the print job, or when the print mode is set to stop at cut position or stop at peel off position. To fix this, try switching your printer to another option that is not stop at cut position or stop at peel off position. Go to Menu, General Settings, Printer Settings, Print Options, Print Mode, and change the print mode. Or simply remove your labels from your printer after each print job. If your printed design seems to be shifting to the side, reload your labels and ensure the paper guide is set properly. If your label design is still not fully covering your label, then go to Printing Preferences, Printer Utilities, Printer Settings Utility, and perform Print Start Position Adjustment in either the vertical or horizontal direction, depending on where the label is getting cut off. Finally, if your label is not cutting correctly, you can adjust the cutoff position to cut evenly between two labels. On the printer driver, perform a cut position adjustment. Select positive or negative adjustment value depending on where your label is being cut. Once you've made these adjustments, your labels should print correctly. In need of inkjet labels for your Epson C6500? Visit smithcorona.com or give us a call at 1-800-875-7000.